Hi everyone, we are starting a new video lecture series. In this video series, we will make an animated flag shader graph where all variables can be controlled. As you see, you can change flag texture, and as you see, it's my Linux logo. And you can change wave speed, for example, as you see. You can change wave height, as you see. You can change order wave control, as you see. And you can control flag texture for correctly assign the flag object. You can rotate, you can tile, you can change other controls. I plan to make an animated flag shader graph where the area where the flag is fixed to the flagpole. As you see, it's immobile. Stay tuned to this channel. Subscribe to my channel and get instantly notified of new training videos. See you in another video.